Right, in this video we're going to be talking about Sat Navs, and on this Ford Focus Mark 3.5 2015 model, I've got my Sat Nav brought up. The important thing is your Sat Nav files can get corrupted, and who knows what sort of knock-on effects will it affect if your Sat Nav files are corrupted. Is it going to affect this screen? I don't know. All I know is sometimes on this car my Sat Nav files are kind of in a little bit of a glitch mode, and definitely I get no Sat Nav. Whether or not the phone connects, I don't really had the chance. I was kind of just trying to get it to work, but we never know, that might stop working, or the entertainment system, who knows. But I think if your Sat Nav file goes, there's no way of getting it back, because it will cost you a lot of money if you ask Ford to get a new map, which is not currently available. So it's going to cost you a lot of money somehow, or if you're lucky enough, perhaps on eBay someone's left one of those SSD drives on eBay from a broken or second-hand car, then you might be lucky. I don't know, but from Ford it's going to cost a lot. So the point of this video is just to say to you, look, for your Ford Focus or any car with a modern car with a Sat Nav, this is what I did already ages ago. I went to search for where the information was, and hopefully you see that, hopefully you've got one of these. Right, so if I turn the car off, because I'll never do something like pull